creating a birthday flyer that makes you say, wow. Today, I will show you how to design one from scratch that pops, grabs attention and looks like it was done by a pro, even if you are a beginner. Here is the flyer we are making today. Vibrant, clean and birthday ready. Today, I'll be showing you how you can be able to design this exact flyer using your Photoshop, even if you're a beginner or a pro who wants to learn this trick. Without too much talk, let's dive in. All you have to do here is to open your Photoshop. So I've opened my Photoshop here, and here we'll be selecting the canvas we'll be using. Just go to new, and I already have my canvas set here, which is 1080 width to 1200 height. Then you set your RGB color. Then you set the resolution to 300. Make sure it's at 300, and then create. After that, we'll be importing the background we'll be using for this design. So I can just go to where I kept the background on my folder. Now drag it into Photoshop, and then you have to expand this to fit into this exact size. Expand it in full and then hit this good. After that, I'll be importing the image of the celebrant, the birthday celebrant here. So I can also go to my file. Now I'll take this picture from here and move it into Photoshop. If you want to gain access to these materials, then check the description of this video. There's a link embedded there for you to gain access to this material. So here we'll have to increase the size of this image. So you can just drag it to this point, hit enter key, and then you go to this background that we initially brought here. What you have to do is you press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate it, then move it to be on top of this image. Go to your mask tool here, and then go to your brush tool. You can simply press B on your keyboard as a shortcut. Apply this brush tool here. First of all, you need to make sure that the black color is showing here instead of the white color. And after that, you apply it here. Then once we are done with this, you can also lock this so it won't be moving about. Then you select this image. You see that this image is looking somehow. The edges are looking somehow, and also it's not really looking sharp. It's looking a little bit blur. So we have to edit this image to make this design pop very well. All you need to do is to go to your filter, go to camera raw filter, and then you make the edit. Scroll this up, then go to temperature. Under this basic, go to temperature, increase the temperature a bit. Go down to texture, increase the texture a little to make it look more solid. Increase the clarity of this image, and then after that you move down to detail, the one that is here. Then you increase the sharpening of this image and increase the noise reduction a bit so it will be smooth. After that, you can just hit on your OK like this, and you can see the outcome of this image. It's looking more bright and neater. Now the next thing we'll be doing here is that we'll be adding a text to this. So you can just go to the T, hit it here, and then type in the text we'll be needing here. So this is the font I'll be using, and this is the format I'll be adding to this design. You can just select this and then make it bolder. The bold is already selected here. Then increase the size of this text. Once you increase the size, you can just place it here and then mark good. Tap the T again and type another text. At this point, I don't like this font, so I would like to change this font to a more stylish font. I can just pick a good font from here and then mark Good. Increase the size of this a bit and then add it down here. After that, I would like to be using this same font, this birthday font, to write the name of this celebrant. So I can just copy it by pressing Ctrl J. So I can simply move the copy text upwards to view it very well, highlight, and then write in the name of the celebrant here. Reduce the size and place it here to fit in. You can see that the background is already bright and is affecting this text a bit. All I'm going to do here is that I'll add a dark shadow to this text. Go to drop shadow and this selected shadow will be added automatically. Then I'll also copy this particular font again, Ctrl J, highlight it, and then change the color from white to black. Simply move it down to be under this first one, and then adjust it like this to appear in form of a shadow. Now this is the final birthday flyer we have here. If you learned something new from this video, hit the like button so that this video will be able to reach more audience, so that more people will be able to watch this video. And also don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment if you want the PSD file or more design challenges. See you in the next video. I'll be expecting you.